And once you do that, you're ready for your installation. As we remove all the screws, cover, and we're going to knock our holes out, put it on a leading edge, grab a punch out, a hammer, and bang. You're going to do the same for the others. This hole right here, punch out, give it a nice hard bang. You have your foam. You're going to knock out your holes. You knocked your holes out. You have a template that has glue. It matches up. Slide your leads through. With the hardware kit you get, you're now going to attach all your leads. Place back the cover. We have a weather seal. We must make sure it goes back on. Close it up. And come back in the evening hours and see what this looks like, all lit up. Put these all over the house, wherever you need to be at. I'll show you what it looks like. How do you light? Light up. It is a photocell, dusk to dawn. It's bright, does a nice job. Put them all over, space them out by the pool, by the backyard, front yard, side of the house, wherever you need to have light, in the pathway, and so on. These come in a 4-pack. Space them out, put them by your deck, backyard, driveway, pathway, on the wall, mounted high, low. They will throw a lot of light. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.